Last week, our plan was to visit a beautiful location, Tumut River. But we didn't expect to get lost in the middle of nowhere, and this trip becomes the last journey for my expensive commercial drone. Like other weekends, we headed for camping on Fridays after a short working day. But this time, we didn't consider the long distance or offline GPS in the area. We even made it worse by stopping midway to have lunch. As we continued our journey, we witnessed a stunning sunset and enjoyed the view. By the time we arrived, it was already dark, and the only thing we could see were hundreds or maybe thousands of kangaroos surrounding us like aliens. Without an available GPS to find the exact location, we had no choice but to stop there and wait for sunrise. Early in the morning, when we emerged from the tent, we couldn't believe what we saw. We weren't at the location we had planned, but instead, we accidentally found another wonderful place. So we decided to stay there the whole day. We started our day by collecting firewood. After finding some kangaroo remains, I spotted wild raspberries, my favorite fruit. When they found out about my discovery, everyone forgot about collecting fire sticks and attacked the raspberry trees. Our master chef, Sam, gave us a mission to collect enough raspberries to cook a delicious cake for us, so we couldn't resist his offer and started the mission. After eating breakfast, I decided to try fishing, but I didn't know that a disaster was about to happen. As always, I used my drone to reach a deeper spot in the river, but something was wrong. My drone, for some reason, was pulling to the left side. I checked the drone and its remote, but everything seemed okay. So I tried again, a decision I wish I had never made. Soon, you will witness a disaster. And yes, disaster happened. This time, the line got stuck, and in less than half a second, my expensive commercial drone fell into the river. I'm sure if I had flown it a bit higher, it could stabilize itself. But unfortunately, everything was against my drone's destiny. Like the previous time, something was out of my control. And later, when I checked the video from my friend's drone, I realized the fishing rod's line was getting stuck, and it was changing the direction of the drone. I tried for a few hours to find it, but the water was too deep and the current wouldn't let it stay in the same spot. Lunchtime, and Sam is cooking 2 different dishes for us. As always, nice and delicious. After lunch, we started exploring the area and found another beautiful location. was getting dark, I prepared the fire for cooking the raspberry cake, my favorite part of camping. Sitting under the sky roof at night and drinking a cup of tea while watching the beautiful stars is truly magical. This trip was full of challenges and beautiful moments that will be recorded forever on Sky Roof Channel. Another unforgettable memory of the beautiful nature of Australia. I hope you enjoyed this video and support me by liking, subscribing, and commenting. Please don't hesitate to share your recommendations for improving our channel. Thank you all for watching Sky Roof videos.